Hi students, we learned our fifth chapter Anida and the honeybees. Today, let's discuss the questions from the chapter. First, let's see fill in the blanks questions. First one, Anida lives in Muzaffarpur district of Dash. Answer, Bihar. We know the Muzaffarpur district is in the state of Bihar. Second question, Dash are the most social insects. Answer, honeybees. Honeybees are the most social insects. Third one, Dash is the scientific method of rearing honeybees. Answer, apiculture. The rearing of honeybees for their honey and the wax. That is known as apiculture. Fourth question, honeybees lay their eggs from Dash to Dash. October to December. Honeybees lay their eggs from October to December. So this is the best time to start beekeeping. Fifth question. An ant has dash legs. Answer, 6. Next. Dash bees are very important for the hive. Answer, worker bees. Worker bees are doing all the works in the beehive. So they are the very important bees in the hive. Seventh question. Dash and dash are required to keep honeybees. Answer, sugar syrup and medicines. Sugar syrup for the food of honeybees and medicines to clean the beehive. Then let's discuss the questions and answers from the chapter. First question, what is a girl star? Answer, Girl Star is a project which tells extraordinary tales of ordinary girls who have changed their life by going to school. Second question, name some social insects. Answer, honeybees, ants, termites and wasps. Social insects are insects that live and work together. Isn't? So honeybees, ants, termites and wasps are examples for social insects. Third question. What special activity does a bee when she finds flowers with nectar? Answer, it does a special kind of dance by which the other bees can know where the nectar is. Fourth question, which act provides the right of free and compulsory education to each child aged 6 to 14 years? Answer, Right of Education Act 2009. Every child has a right to free education up to class 8. But all children are not able to study because of many problems. Let's see fifth question. Why did Anida not go to school in the early part of her life? Answer, her parents did not like the idea of girls going to school. So, Anida didn't go to school in the early part of her life. Then, sixth question. Describe the duties of the different kinds of bees in beehive. Answer: Queen bee. The only work of queen bee is to lay eggs. Second, male bees. They have no special role in the hive. Their role is to mate with queen bee. Then worker bees. They do all the works in the beehive. They make the beehive and look after the baby bees. They collect nectar from flowers for honey. These are the duties of 3 types of honeybees in the beehive. Then let's discuss the match the following questions. First one, queen ant. Second, soldier ants. Third, worker ants. 4, termite and wasp. In the second column you can see live and work together, lay the egg, look after and guard the nest, looking for food and bringing to the nest. We want to match the first column to second column. The first question is queen ant. We know the duty of queen ant is to lay eggs. So we want to match queen ant to the lays the egg. Second question, soldier ants. The answer is look after and guard the nest. Third question, worker ants. Answer, looking for food and bringing to the nest. Then last one, termite and wasps. Yes, termite and wasps live and work together like honeybees. Okay. So students, hope all of you got the answers from the chapter and you have understood well. Okay, thank you all.